Hello everyone, and welcome to the warm-up today. So we'll start with some wrist rolls. So moving them in one direction and then changing directions. And now moving into some shoulder rolls, so lifting the shoulders up and back and down. Changing directions. And placing the hands out in front of you, making your way into tabletop position and just gently leaning forwards to warm up the wrists. And now lifting up the hands and pointing the fingers to either side of the mat and just moving the body from side to side. And now coming onto the backs of the wrists, stretching up through the wrists and the forearms, just gently leaning backwards as far that feels comfortable. And coming back to neutral and just making some big circles with the hips. Changing directions. Coming back to a neutral spine, we'll move through some cat-cow vinyasas, so taking an inhale and then exhale round in the back. Inhale, gaze moves up. Exhale, gaze moves down. So just moving at your own pace with your breath. And then one more time. And then gently tucking the toes under and making your way into downward dog. Paddling through the legs, stretching through the shoulders and the hamstrings. And thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope to see you again.